So hello everyone. Today we're gonna solve the LeetCode question number one, which is two sum. So the question want to ask that given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. So the question basically want to tell us that we'll have one vector which is dynamic array. So we'll have one array and we'll have some target, one target value, and we're gonna check that which two element of the array is sum of which two element is same as a target. So here in the example, let's take this example as a reference. So we have a one array called nums, and we have element as a 2, 7, 11, and 15, and target value is a 9. So we're gonna check that which two of the element sum is same as a target. So we're gonna return the index of that element. Here the output is 0, 1 because the nums of 0 and nums of 1, the sum of this both element is same as a target. So that is why we return index of that element 0 and 1. So for that, let's start the code. So first we're gonna store a one store a size of this vector in one variable. Now we're gonna run the one loop, which is for loop from int I equal to 0 to I less than size. It means length I plus plus, and the again loop from int j equal to I plus 1. So yeah, what why we use two loops here? So here we want we want to travel two elements because the sum of two element should be target. So for that, for the first index we're gonna use first loop, and for the second index we're gonna use the second loop for that. And this loop should be start from x plus 1 I plus 1, sorry. Why I plus 1? So because here if we are I point to this element as a 2, so the I element point to this element, right? And if we j start from 0, then it will compare 11 to 11 plus 2 as at target as well. And we already traveled from 2 to 11. So in the first for loop, when the first loop I equal to 0, then the 2 is already compared to the I. It means 2 is already compared to 11. And if the answer is not same, then we do not need to check the 11 with 2 as well. Like the sum of 2 plus 11 is not same as target, then it is obvious that the sum of 11 plus 2 is also not same as the target. So for that, we're gonna start the second loop with the I plus 1, and it also should be less than length and j plus plus. Now what we're gonna check if the nums of I plus nums of j equal to target. If this match, then we're gonna directly return the vector of I and j, as we need to return or we need output of index of that element. So we're gonna directly return this, and if there is no matches, then we're gonna return the empty vector. So for that, we'll directly send this. So yeah, let's see this solution runs or not. Test result, yes. So all test cases are accepted. So let's submit this question. Yes, the solution is perfect, and the solution is submitted. So yeah, thank you.